If two genes are located on the same chromosome but very far apart, they will correct answer is behave as if independently assorted. In humans, a normal woman whose father was hemophilic marries a normal man. What proportion of their sons are expected to be hemophilic? Correct answer is 50%. The appearance of a recessive trait after skipping one generation is characteristic of. Correct answer is autosomal recessive inheritance. If recombination frequency between two genes is 10%, the map distance between them is. Correct answer is 10 centimorgan. Which of the following conditions will disturb Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium? Correct answer is migration. A mutation that changes a codon coding for an amino acid into a stop codon is called. Correct answer is nonsense mutation. When heterozygotes show both parental phenotypes simultaneously, it is known as. Correct answer is codominance. The theory that evolution occurs through sudden heritable variations was proposed by. Correct answer is Hugo de Vries. Homologous organs indicate. Correct answer is common ancestry but different functions. The presence of wisdom teeth in humans is considered an example of. Correct answer is vestigial organ. Which of the following is an example of stabilizing selection? Correct answer is survival of average birth weight babies. The founder effect is a special case of. Correct answer is genetic drift. Which evolutionary process results from chance fluctuations in allele frequencies? Correct answer is genetic drift. When a single gene influences multiple phenotypic traits, the phenomenon is called. Correct answer is pleiotropy. The correct evolutionary sequence of horse ancestors is. Correct answer is Eohippus, Mesohippus, Merychippus, Pliohippus, Equus. The primary cause of variation in sexually reproducing organisms is. Correct answer is crossing over and recombination. Adaptive radiation in Australian marsupials is an example of. Correct answer is divergent evolution. Break time is equal to 2.7s. A gene showing multiple phenotypic effects in an organism is an example of. Correct answer is pleiotropy. If recombination frequency between two genes is 50%, it indicates that. Correct answer is genes assort independently. Which of the following mutations results from addition or deletion of nucleotides causing alteration of the reading frame? Correct answer is frameshift mutation. The phenomenon where one allele suppresses the expression of another allele of the same gene is called. Correct answer is dominance. The concept of inheritance of acquired characters was proposed by. Correct answer is Lamarck. Darwin's theory of natural selection was greatly influenced by the work of. Correct answer is Thomas Malthus. The appearance of antibiotic-resistant bacteria is an example of. Correct answer is natural selection. The evolution of different beak shapes in Darwin's finches is an example of. Correct answer is adaptive radiation. Which of the following organs are homologous? Correct answer is flippers of whale and forelimbs of human. The frequency of allele A in a population is 0. 6. The frequency of allele A will be. Correct answer is 0.4. Which evolutionary force directly increases genetic variation in a population? Correct answer is mutation. The study of distribution of species in different geographical regions is called. Correct answer is biogeography. The phenomenon where two different genes control a single trait is known as. Correct answer is polygenic inheritance. In pedigree analysis, a trait appearing in every generation is most likely. Correct answer is autosomal dominant. The modern synthetic theory of evolution combines Darwin's natural selection with. Correct answer is Mendelian genetics. The evolutionary change caused by migration of individuals between populations is called. Correct answer is gene flow. The earliest known ancestor of modern humans belongs to the genus. Correct answer is Homo. A cross between two heterozygous individuals for a trait showing complete dominance produces offspring. What fraction of the progeny will be phenotypically dominant but genotypically heterozygous? Correct answer is a half. In a dihybrid cross, the phenotypic ratio 9:3:3:1 is obtained when. Correct answer is genes assort independently with complete dominance. Which of the following is an example of codominance in humans? Correct answer is ABO blood group system. In humans, the gene for red-green color blindness is located on. Correct answer is X chromosome. Which of the following evolutionary processes leads to the formation of new species? Correct answer is speciation. The gradual accumulation of small genetic changes over time leading to evolution is called. Correct answer is gradualism. Which scientist independently proposed the theory of natural selection along with Charles Darwin? Correct answer is Alfred Russel Wallace. The structure of forelimbs in humans, whales, and bats indicates. Correct answer is divergent evolution. A sudden large-scale mutation that produces a new species in a single generation is called. Correct answer is saltation. The similarity in embryonic development among vertebrates provides evidence for. Correct answer is comparative embryology. Isolation of populations leading to speciation is known as. Correct answer is reproductive isolation. The process by which unrelated species evolve similar traits due to similar environmental pressures is called. Correct answer is convergent evolution. The presence of gill slits in human embryos indicates. Correct answer is recapitulation of evolutionary history. Which of the following provides direct evidence of past life forms? Correct answer is fossil records. A man with blood group AB marries a woman with blood group O. The possible blood groups of their children are. Correct answer is A and B only. A color-blind father and a normal mother, carrier, have children. What proportion of daughters will be color-blind? Correct answer is 50%. Which of the following genetic disorders is caused by autosomal dominant inheritance? Correct answer is Huntington's disease. In incomplete dominance, the phenotype of heterozygote is. Correct answer is intermediate between parents. The phenomenon where one gene masks the expression of another non-allelic gene is called. Correct answer is epistasis. The probability that a carrier woman for hemophilia will transmit the disease to her son is. Correct answer is 50%. Which stage of meiosis is primarily responsible for genetic recombination through crossing over? Correct answer is prophase 1. If two genes are tightly linked on the same chromosome, they will. Correct answer is tend to be inherited together. The concept of survival of the fittest was proposed by. Correct answer is Herbert Spencer. Analogous organs are evidence for. Correct answer is convergent evolution. Which of the following provides the strongest evidence for organic evolution? Correct answer is molecular homology. Industrial melanism observed in the peppered moth is an example of. Correct answer is natural selection. Genetic drift is more significant in. Correct answer is small populations. The Hardy-Weinberg principle assumes. Correct answer is all of the above. Which of the following evolutionary forces introduces new alleles into a population? Correct answer is mutation.